Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a blog post in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to delete a blog post or article on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to delete a blog post on it, simply click on this blog icon. And here you will see all the available blog posts on your website. From here you can only see the published ones, the scheduled ones, and the ones in the draft. Now to delete this blog post article, just click on it, you will see it, or you will preview it here. And to delete it, click on these three dots and select delete. Now click on delete again. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now click on delete again. And to publish this change, don't forget to update your website from this corner. Now let's view my website live. Go to the blog. As you see, my blog post was deleted successfully. And this is how to delete a blog post or article in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.